Welcome to the download.
Downloading.
Hi, I'm Elijah. Welcome to the download. Today we're looking at variations, our premium automation feature that provides a fast and efficient way to cut down variants from a single video into multiple formats and lengths. I know, no way. To access variations, start by creating your primary video through Waymark AI or in the editor. We recommend beginning with a 30-second video that is in its final client-approved state. Once we have our 30-second TV-wide video, with variations, you can create multiple versions of your video with different lengths and aspect ratios. Our premium variations package includes 30-second wide, the one we are on now, perfect for television and primary web content. 15-second wide, ideal for pre-roll and mid-length social. 15-second tall, optimized for stories and vertical platforms. 5-second wide, high-impact bumper ads. And 5-second tall, short-form social engagement. Simply click one of these options and see your video transform. I love that. So cool. You can also access variations-enabled templates directly from the templates page by looking for this icon or by looking in the Omni collection. Create an entire campaign suite from a single video while preserving your brand style, story, and assets with professional precision. Have fun!
Downloading.